Bank of America credit score. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can view your Bank of America credit score. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Here I'm going to the web page of Bank of America, but you can also follow the same steps in your mobile phone as well by using the Bank of America application. Now here on the Chrome browser or any of the web browser that you're comfortable with, simply search for Bank of America credit score. Now once you land on this interface, go to the first link that says get your FICO score for free in online and mobile banking. Click on that. Now from this interface, click on this button that says view your FICO score. And after that, you will be taken to login prompt. Now to get started, first of all, you have to log into your banking account. So enter your user ID. Under that, enter your correct password. Once you enter your correct login credential, then click on login button and then you'll be logged into your Bank of America online account. And after that, you will land on the next interface where you will be able to view your credit score. If you follow these steps in your mobile phone, you will have some of this kind of interface as shown in this interface. And you can simply view and analyze your credit score from this interface. Or if you have any other questions related to this score, there is a section that says Score FAQs, and there are multiple questions that you can check that out as well. So if you have any question regarding that, there are questions along with their solutions or answer provided to that. You can simply go to that, and that's how you can view your credit score on mobile. On Bank of America. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.